Hey guys, this is Mr. Ayala. This is a quick tutorial on how to install DocHub and then how to use DocHub. All right, so first let's talk about how we're going to install it. You start it off in Classroom, open up another tab, and you're going to Google Chrome Web Store. All right, there's Chrome Web Store, and you're going to go to Apps. So you can do that right from this spot right here. And search in the store, you're going to search for DocHub, all one word. All right, and right here, this button for you, if you haven't already added it, should say add it. Go ahead and click it, and then whatever it asks you to do after that, if it says, give it certain permissions, go right ahead. Just make sure that you get it added correctly. All right, now that you have added it, let's go back to the classroom and use it. All right, so I'm going to use a PDF because that's mostly what we use Screencastify for, is to write on top of PDFs like this chart right here. Nope, let's not use that chart because that's not a PDF. Let's just use this because this is a PDF. All right, so Pilgrims and First Thanksgiving PDF. Now, the first thing you're going to have to do is click these three buttons over here and open in a new window. All right, now that you have it open in a new window, it'll say open with. Now, if you install DocHub correctly, it should be right here, DocHub. All right, go ahead and open it like that. And the cool thing about DocHub is that it now becomes almost like a Google Drive. You get to save things in here. So I've already created one like this, but I'm going to go ahead and open my existing one. For you, it's not going to say that. All right, so let's talk about a couple of things on how to use this. So you got your pointer tool here, which is what we're using right now. You got your text box. Text box is awesome because you can just plop it somewhere and type right in it. So the way to do that, again, is once you have it, you see it's highlighted there, and you're just moving your mouse around, and you just put it where you want and click. It'll stop right there, and you type in what you want. Pretty simple, right? Yeah. All right, so here's the pen, right? And you could change, what's cool about this is you can change the size of the pen, you can change the color of the pen, right? All right, so we got a black pen, and we're going to use it to circle this right here. Oh, I don't know what happened. Oh, there we go. Sometimes it's a little glitchy, and that's a pretty good example of how it can be glitchy. But there it is. It's just like Google Docs. It takes a while to sometimes update, especially if you're running slow on the internet. All right, here's another really cool thing, which is what you're definitely going to be using it for today, is highlighting. So you're going to click the highlighter right there, like I showed you. Click the highlighter. Click the color that you want. Yellow is probably the best thing. And let's go ahead and highlight. All right, so I want to highlight this whole sentence right here. So what you're going to do is put the cross right there, right at the corner of what you want to start highlighting. Hold the button down and stretch it out. So let's say I want to highlight this first sentence, and then you let it go. Boom, it's highlighted. Let's move down here. Let's do this first sentence right here. And I just want to do this one sentence. So I'm going to highlight all of that, and then I'm going to start another one right here so that I get the word disease in there as well. And now you'll see all of that stuff is highlighted. Pretty simple, right? All right. So comment, that's just like Google Classroom. Whiteout. This is pretty cool. Let's say you want to get rid of this picture altogether, right? Or anything that's on the screen. Again, line it up at the edge. Stretch it out. Boom, it's gone. And let's say you want to do some checking. Like I want to put a check in a box somewhere. Boom, boom, boom. Just click and drop. If you have an image that you want to put on top of something, like you normally would do in a Google slide or something like that, you click Insert Image. You can find images on the internet, or you can find an image that you have saved or whatever, and you can do that. All right. When you are all said and done, if this is something that a teacher is asking you to hand in that you've done on DocHub, it's very simple. You're going to click on File. You're going to click on Share or Send. Okay? And then you're going to hit Get Shareable Link. You're going to copy the link, just like that. And then you're going to go back into wherever the assignment is. And then wherever you would turn it in, just attach that link and you'll be good to go. All right. I can't show you from here because this is my Google Classroom, but you know how to attach a link to something. So that's it. Pretty simple. Hope this was helpful and have fun using it. The more you use it, the better you'll get at it. Have a good one. Bye.